Welcome to Chapter 5, Immigration and the U.S. Economy. This video, brought to you by the World Affairs Council of Austin, explores the critical economic role of immigrant populations and how these issues intersect with the legal system. After watching this video, you will be able to explain how immigration contributes to the U.S. economy and identify major industries reliant on immigrant labor. We will also analyze the economic impact of undocumented workers and evaluate economic hardship claims in immigration court cases. Key terms for this chapter include labor market, human capital, and economic contribution. We will also look at terms relevant to legal practice, such as hardship, undocumented, remittances, mixed-status families, and integration. Section 1 provides an overview of immigration as a core economic force. Immigrants drive growth through consumer spending, entrepreneurship, and tax contributions. Understanding this economic context is vital for legal applications, particularly in cancellation of removal and hardship cases. Immigrants play essential roles across multiple industries. This includes agriculture, construction, healthcare, technology, and service sectors. Their labor is often critical for stabilizing production and filling labor shortages. Undocumented workers make significant economic contributions through labor in vital sectors, payment of taxes, and consumer spending. They often fill physically demanding, low-wage jobs. The legal reality is that these workers may still face removal, despite their long-term contributions. Section 4 examines economic hardship in immigration court. For cancellation of removal, the highest standard requires showing exceptional and extremely unusual hardship, based on factors like loss of income or medical expenses. Hardship also serves as supporting evidence in asylum and adjustment of status claims. Immigrants are a powerful catalyst for innovation and entrepreneurship. They are disproportionately represented among startup founders, patent holders, and STEM graduates. Their contributions strengthen global competitiveness and technological advancement. It is important to debunk economic misconceptions. The reality is that immigrants do not generally take jobs from U.S. workers, but fill critical shortages. Furthermore, most studies show minimal negative impact on wages, and immigrants make significant fiscal contributions through taxes and spending. This video includes assessment questions related to key terms and concepts we've discussed. Please take a moment to consider the definition of the labor market, an industry reliant on immigrant labor, the standard for exceptional hardship, and what a remittance is. Now let's turn to Case 5, Jorge Ramirez. He is the respondent in a non-LPR cancellation of removal case in Del Rio, Texas. The hardship standard requires demonstrating exceptional and extremely unusual hardship to his qualifying U.S. citizen or LPR relatives. The path to legal permanency for Jorge requires demonstrating continuous presence, good moral character, and no convictions, in addition to the strict hardship standard. He is seeking cancellation of removal and work authorization to prevent absolute poverty for his U.S. citizen children. The respondent's theory utilizes the, quote, catastrophic domino effect framework. Removal triggers a medical crisis for his daughter, economic destitution, educational displacement for his children, and exposes them to severe safety and security risks in Mexico. The government contests this, arguing for a standardization of suffering. Their position suggests hardship is a common consequence of deportation. The rebuttal highlights the perfect storm of factors, where the convergence of these issues creates an extraordinary hardship that shocks the conscience. The foundation of fact for this case includes robust evidentiary support. This includes physician reports for Exhibit A, pay stubs for Exhibit B, school records for Exhibit C, and a DOS report detailing dangerous country conditions for Exhibit D. These facts provide a clear view of Jorge's indispensability. The oral record involved a clash of perspectives through witness testimony. Respondents' witnesses included Maria Ramirez on emotional reliance and a medical expert, Dr. Arispe. The government's witnesses included an ICE officer on the apprehension and an analyst on labor markets in Mexico. The court focused on three vital determinations. Is Jorge's contribution replaceable? No. Does the hardship meet the legal standard? Yes, the hardship is exceptional. Does Jorge merit the court's discretion? Yes, after 18 years of contributing to Del Rio.